Hello, welcome back to my channel Kitchen of Flavors. Today I'm going to make Gobi ke Pakoda, that's cabbage fritters. Here I have one large chopped onions which has carom leaves and some green chilies with mint leaves. And here I have some coriander leaves which are chopped and washed. I just need to put them inside. It's a half bunch which I've used. Okay, so now you put as much as greens as you want. It brings out the taste, especially if you put the carom leaves. I have some cabbage over here. This is a quarter cabbage. I'm just going to put it inside. Okay. Okay, and I took 3 potatoes. I peeled them and I've chopped them into thin slices, as you can see. So I just put them all inside. You need them thin so when your fritters are ready, you don't feel that the potatoes are still uncooked. Okay, so I'm going to put my spices here. I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I have dana jeera, which is coriander powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoon. You put fill so I can bring out the taste. I have 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Okay, I have mixed herbs here, so it's methi and mixed herbs mix. Just put a bit of it, like quarter teaspoon. Okay, then just mix it now with your hands. And then you can add some corn flour because I like corn flour in my fritters, so I'm going to add some corn flour. It makes it crispy and yummy. So you put about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, as much as you like. Okay, then I'm going to just mix it. First you mix all of this. So as you see, it's already mixed. I have some gram flour over here. You'll put little by little. You don't want it too much gram flour, so you just put little. But I like little, I don't like a lot. If that depends on how you desire, if you want it 2 gram flour. Just put bit by bit so you can get its grip. Just keeps mixing and mixing so it doesn't have some lumps inside. Okay, so my flour is set. It's, you see, you can make our ball out of it. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to bring out the reddish color, and it brings more nice tasty, and its aroma will be very nice. You just mix it. You see, it will bring out its color. If you by chance your green chilies are less, it's not too spicy, this red chili will bring out the spiciness. So you just mix it. Okay, now it's ready, so I'm just going to go and fry it. Okay, my oil is on medium flame and it's hot, so now I'm going to start frying. You need medium balls, not too big, not too small, medium ball. Just grab it from the ball and put bits by bits inside. You don't need to put too much because they'll catch up. And so my cabbage fritters are ready. The crunchy, yummy. You can get the cabbage smell, aroma. It's really nice. See, it doesn't have too much of ground flour. It has mostly greens inside it. You can enjoy it with the tamarind sauce. And this thing is very easy to make, especially when you want something, when you have visitors, you can make it faster. When you're having a 4 p.m. Tea, when your tea, you can have it, or a midnight snack. You can have it any time of the day because once you eat it, you can't stop eating. It's really yummy. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to enjoy this. Please give it a huge thumbs up, comment down on how you like it. Try it at home and let me know how you like it. And please share with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy.